Kingdom of grace, the light breaks through the haze. Your mercy lights my days. I hear your gentle call. I give you all. Your truth, my heart's delight. Your love restores my sight. No fear can ever stay. You lead the way. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. The heavens start to sing, the dawn of our true King. The stars bow down in awe, your perfect law. You crown the earth with peace, our spirits find release. The past is washed away in your day. Heaven opens wide. Your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. Your throne of light remains beyond all time and pain. Forever, every soul in your embrace. Kingdom of grace, holy place. Every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace. Kingdom of grace forevermore. Kingdom of grace. Ocean of love, I'm drifting in you. I'm lost in your embrace. Every tide I feel, your love is real. The currents pull me near, no room for any fear. Your spirit calls my name, forever the same. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours, forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean the sunlight meets the sea. You're shining over me. My burdens fade away. New day. Your mercy flows so free, like waves eternally. You calm my storming mind. So kind. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours, forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Let your waters flow wherever I may go. Forever I'll be found, safe and sound. Ocean of Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean of love. Ocean of love. I'm drifting in you. Ocean of love. I'm drifting in you. Within the ashes of my heart, you make a brand new start. Your light ignites my soul and makes me whole. The darkness melts away. You turn the night to day. Your spirit is my flame. I sing your name. Breathe on me again. Holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. The embers start to rise. Your truth before my eyes. My spirit glows within, freed from sin. Each flame declares your word, consuming all the earth. Your power sets me free eternally. Breathe on me again. Holy fire within. Every fear replaced by your grace. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. Let your flame remain through joy and through the pain. Forever I will be set free. Fire of grace, shine inside. Burn away my selfish pride. Every spark, every cry lifts me to the sky. Fire of grace, pure and true. All I am returns to you. Let your love embrace this holy place. Fire of grace, burn in me now. Fire of grace. Light through the clouds, you find me now. The storm has come and gone. to your crown. Begins to glow, your grace begins to flow. 1,000 voices rise to the skies. You paint the world with peace. My doubts begin to cease. Your hands renew the day in your way. Inside my heart, every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again, wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. Through every night and shade, forever I will see you're with me. You're with me. Eternal light shine in my soul. When night tries to remain, your glory ends the pain. The darkness fades away, you are the day. Your flame will never fall, your truth outshines it all. Forever you will be the light in me. You open up the sky, your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright. eternal Heaven open wide, your glory falls inside. The veil begins to tear, your presence fills the air. Every heart awake for your name's sake. The light descends like rain, you heal our hidden pain. We lift our hands on high, your spirit fills the sky. Every soul made new in you. Heaven open wide, pour your grace, shine your light on every place, every voice. Rain of blessing, fall on me now. Every dry and broken land now drinks from your gentle hand. Tears become the sea of mercy free. The clouds begin to glow, your presence starts to flow. Every heart awakes, grace overtakes. You pour your love again, like healing from the rain. Every soul reborn by your dawn. Rain of blessing, pure and true, wash my heart and make it new. Every drop that falls tonight brings your light. Rain of blessing, soft and sweet, covers every wounded beat. All my praise I raise for your rain of grace. The earth begins to sing as life returns to spring. Your spirit fills the sky, draws me nigh. Every leaf and stone echoes you alone. Forever I will be drenched in me. You pour your love again, like healing from the rain. Every rain of blessing. In the garden of mercy, I find you there. I walk through fields of grace. You love my resting place. The sunlight paints the air. Your voice is everywhere. The silence starts to bloom. Your spirit fills the room. Every breath I take is for your sake. In this quiet ground, your healing love is found. Every fear erased by your grace. Garden of mercy, pure and white, where my heart can safely hide. Every wound you mend again, washed by holy rain. Garden of mercy, calm and true, all my soul belongs to you. Here I kneel and stay in your mercy's way. Garden of mercy. The lilies gently sway. They dance where angels pray. Your presence like the wind that moves within. Each tear becomes a song where I forever belong. Your grace, my endless spring, my everything. In this quiet ground, your healing love is found. Every fear erased by your grace. Garden of mercy, pure and white, where my heart can safely hide. Every wound you mend again, washed by holy rain. Garden of mercy, calm and true, all my soul belongs to you. Here I kneel and stay in your mercy's way. Your peace like rivers flow through hearts that humbly know. Forever I'll remain in your name. Garden of mercy, pure and white, where my heart can safely hide. Every wound you mend again, washed by holy rain. Garden of mercy, calm and true, all my soul belongs to you. Here I kneel and stay in your mercy's way. Breath of heaven, fill me again. In the silence I can feel your presence warm